Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code, and this is the quickest way to do that. And the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the fastest one. Let's enter the secret code. We have to open the dialer. Let's tap on the keypad. And let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, so you'll still be able to check those numbers. So we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we have to tap on Advanced and enter About Phone. And now let's scroll down. And as you can see on this, in this section, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check also the serial number, just tap on the model and hardware. Tap on it. And as you can see, the serial number with the model just pops out. So let's tap on OK, and that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.